Welcome to Myflowsoft. In this video we will learn adding employee manually, import employees in bulk and archiving employees.
Now we will see how to add new employee manually.
Click on Add Employee button. 2. Add new employee details. Once you click on Add Employee button, new employee details form will open. Here you have to fill all required details of your new employee. Once all required details are filled, click on Submit button to save it. Now we will see how to import employee details in bulk.
Click on Import Employee.
From Import window, download the sample Excel template and add the data to the sample Excel file. Now import the employee Excel from Choose File option. Once you select the employee bulk detail Excel file, click on Import button. Now we will see how to use Archiving Employees option. When an employee leaves the organization, we can archive the employee or mark as exit. Locate the employee from the list using search or filters. Select the employee and click on 3 dots. And then click on Archive. For other user manual video, visit our YouTube channel.